more style finds you, you can't find your style. The more your style comes out in you, the more you will adjust what you like, what feels good. If you're trying to see color, turn away from the scene, rest your eyes, rest your mind, forget it's a cloud, forget it's a whatever, a rock, forget it's something you've ever had a noun to call it. Open your eyes really wide and turn and glance, and the very first color that comes to mind, turn and glance and turn back around. The very first color that comes to mind is the color it is. So I picked up some radiant blue, and I added just a touch of cobalt to it to get the blue in the sky. And I like that intense blue in that sky. And I have to determine, without using anything dirty in it, so I'm getting a little bit clean of my solvent-free gel just for this. I have to determine the shape of that sky, that piece of sky that's blue. What shape is that? And it needs to not, our temptation is to make sure that it just echoes exactly something that's here. That's what we do. We make everything exactly the same, This line goes this way, so I'm gonna put this line this way, and then I'm gonna put this line this way. And some of nature does that. It's your job to look for the ones that go the other way. Even if you're painting the ocean, the waves don't go like this. They go like this sometimes. And it's your job to find those waves and put them in. Otherwise, it just looks like a stripy ocean. Shall we all go there now and paint? That would be fun. Let's paint the stripy ocean. So I'm going to want to put a pretty significant piece of this blue in. I don't want it to just be a big round circle right there in the middle. I want it to be designed. I like the way I have some clouds here that are showing, yeah, there were some clouds in the sky though. So it's important to figure out where this would work the best. Which I'm doing on the fly. Normally I would work this out with several sketches, but I'm imagining it. So that's bringing you in. This is not the same distance from the corner as this is. Okay? So I'm just bringing you in there with that. It wasn't that fun.